This new Hunter HMP 32E automatic match plate molding machine is featured. Hunter molding machines utilize a very simple gravity fill, vibrate, squeeze molding process. Sand is riddled onto the pattern, and the mold is then squeezed under hydraulic pressure. The mold is exceptionally uniform and hard. The castings produced are then of superior quality with closer tolerances. A movable control panel can easily be positioned for operator convenience. All manual or automatic functions are controlled from this module. The new E-Series machines are PLC controlled and have solid-state proximity switches for increased speed and improved reliability. Operator access for manual core setting is very good. All new Hunter machines are equipped with electronic light guards on both sides and dual operator controls. This means that cores can be set conveniently from either or both sides. Automatic core setting is also available and is easily justified on longer production runs where there are heavy, awkward, or multiple cores that are difficult to set manually. The automatic core setter can be factory installed or added to the machine at some later date. The mold is pushed out of the molding machine onto an accumulating mold conveyor. This provides mold storage and transports the molds to the turntable on demand. The length of the conveyor and corresponding number of mold positions can be varied to suit the individual customer requirements. This arrangement has the advantage of allowing molding and mold pouring to operate independently or at different speeds during pattern changes or metal delays. At the transfer station, the mold is pushed off the aluminum bottom board and onto a graphite-lined pouring plate on the outer row of the turntable. Then the weight and jacket are automatically set. The aluminum bottom board is then returned to the bottom board storage unit. As the molding machine requires bottom boards, they are transported by the bottom board return conveyor to the board feeder on the molding machine. The turntable system utilizes PLC controls and proximity switches. The operator interface is located on the main control cabinet. This is where the operator gains access to the PLC, controls all manual motions, sets timers, and counters. Molds on the turntable are gently indexed one station at a time to the pouring position. This index is accomplished by the use of a Geneva drive, which provides a smooth controlled motion from start to stop. The two most popular turntable pouring modes are as follows. Single-station pouring molds are poured continuously at the same rate they are transferred onto the table. This method produces maximum cooling time, but restricts pouring speed to the turntable cycle rate. In batch mode, the table is preloaded with unpoured molds with weights and jackets in place. The turntable is then rapidly indexed on command or by an adjustable pouring timer. This method provides single-station pouring at unrestricted speeds. When the pourer leaves to refill his ladle, the turntable will automatically reload with unpoured molds. After the mold has cooled the required time, it is discharged onto a shakeout or vibrating pan conveyor at an elevation well above floor level. Hunter systems have the flexibility to produce high-quality castings in any quantity at very low cost. Over 1,500 Hunter machines have been sold worldwide. This enviable record is unmatched in the industry. Clearly, this qualifies Hunter as the world leader in match plate molding and mold handling.